Hey guys, for those who are new to YouTube, I know you've been wondering, how on earth can I make a thumbnail when they've not started paying me? I know to even reach monetization requirement is very long. So now in this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can make a YouTube thumbnail without giving it to a graphic designer or a thumbnail designer. You're just using WhatsApp and Capcut. You're going to use this just with your phone. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into this awesome video. Now, the first thing you have to do is to download your image. We're going to be using WhatsApp AI to download this image. Now, the thumbnail idea I'm going to be making for you guys now is how to make a YouTube thumbnail just using Capcut and WhatsApp. This is the idea I'm going to just use for as practice for you guys. So let's just dive into it. We're going to go to Meta AI. Now, we're going to search for the background. And the idea is to just search for growth graph picture for YouTube. This is just going to automatically create an image for you randomly, and this is for free. Now it showed me a picture which I'm not cool with it. I'm going to ask it to create another different one with same format. Now which it just did, I think I'm okay with this. We are going to work with this for now. Once you're done downloading this image, you now take this to Capcut. Drag it to Capcut, upload your image over there. Now we're in Capcut. You see a section where they say photo editor. When you can take it to photo editor, you see your image, click it, upload it here. Now we're going to be changing the size or the format of the picture because we need 16:9 ratio, because this is the format YouTube use for uploading thumbnail. Once you apply that, you drag your image to the size or to the scale you want. I think I'm going to duplicate this image so it can be a replacement to the empty side, empty space of the picture. We have our background set. The next thing is our subject. And the best way to do this is just get your phone, take a random picture of yourself, doing a random thing, then you upload it to your Capcut. Now this is my image of myself. Scale it to the size you want. Then now you need to remove the background, and we're going to use the auto select, which is, you need an internet to make this work. When you click the auto select, it automatically removes the background. Then make sure you scale the person in the way you like, the right position you like. For the subject, you try to play with the brightness and the contrast, so the picture won't look dull, and you do the same with the background. Now I think it's time for us to carry our Capcut logo and the WhatsApp logo. What I did, I just went to download the PNG format of this Capcut, then you place it to the direction of how you want it. Then you take the WhatsApp logo, do the same, but this time you remove the background. Same way, you use your auto select to remove the background, position it based on the scale you love. Then now I want the background to be a little bit, darker. I'm going to go to the shapes, look for the square shape, then apply it, change the color to blue, reduce opacity, make it blue, and yeah, here we have it. I think this thumbnail is good and ready to be uploaded. Here you have it, guys. This is the best way you can create a YouTube thumbnail for free, totally free. You don't need to pay anyone, any professional to do this for you. It is totally free, using just Capcut and WhatsApp. And what do you think about this? Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what kind of video you would love me to make next, and see you next time.